Hi guys, I am a mother of four powerful kids. I live with my husband in Vienna. I love my family so much, but today, you see, I'm gonna be super selfish. And you see, if you really want to hear and know why I wanna be selfish today, don't go away, just stay tuned and listen to my action message today. I'll be right back. So, welcome back, my super people. I hope you guys are doing great. In fact, before I start, I would love to thank God for the gift of our lives. And to my subscribers, I'm still appreciating you guys. And for those my secret lovers who comes in and leave without subscribing, what are you still waiting for? I am here to make you guys happy. I am here because of you guys. Please consider subscribing to my channel Clarisis after watching this action video. So without wasting your time, let me impatiently jump to today's action message. I told you before that today is gonna be extraordinary because I have a very wonderful action message. So you see, in the family, mothers, I would say, always sacrifice for the family, sacrifice for the children and for the husband. Many a times, mothers deprive themselves from so many wonderful things just to make the family happy, just to keep moving. They deprive themselves of a lot of things. For instance, like when the whole family has have gone out for shopping or something like that, you see the children will take whatever they want, and when you ask the mother, what do you want, she will just say, it's no problem. I want the children to take whatever they want. For me, I am okay. Every time I'm okay because she wants the family to be happy, thereby depriving herself of what she desires. Mothers, we are sacrificial lamb. We always like to sacrifice. We always like to put our head down for the family. But I later realized that it's not supposed to be so. Like my husband would always say that it is better, yeah, like in the family, when things are being shared within the family members, you just notice that the children will get their own proper share, and the man of the house, that is the father, will get his own proper share. But when it gets to the mother of the house, she will just like, okay, you can share my own. Yeah, she would like to share her own personal share with the whole family. So she keep on sacrificing, she keep on sharing, and she keep on, and such things lead to bitterness. In as much as she's trying to make the family happy, make everything balanced, you will find out that everything is imbalanced because she is not happy. She might be happy doing this, but she is not inside her. She is not really happy that maybe she's being cheated or something like that. She is not actually getting what she's supposed to get as a member of the family because she is always sacrificing her own share in the family. So you see, I've really checked myself. I would say that I am also guilty of this situation. And my husband will always object this, like say, why do you always deny yourself of some certain things? You have to stop. So I've really slept over this and realized that I have to start accepting whatever offer that is offered to me. So now I've started accepting my offers, everybody with his or her own share. And everybody, you see, everybody is happy with that. So you find out that if you continue depriving and denying yourself of certain things, your children will definitely get used to it. Even when you start, maybe later in the near future, you start complaining that things are being taken away from you, your own share, your own whatever is being taken away from you, the children will all, they won't find it, they won't see it as a problem. They will say, yeah, mommy, you called for this, because you always refuse, and they will get used to it, and they will not see it as a problem, while you will be complaining. So since I've started doing things the right way, you take your own, you take your own, I take my own, everybody becomes happy in the family, because my husband said, no, look, I don't want a sacrificial wife. I want a happy wife. So that is how we have been living in our family. And you see, I am so, so happy. That is why today I have really decided to be so selfish. I mean, extraordinary selfish, because today my children, they have decided to like serve me in a very big way. Let me see what they have for me today. Every day is mommy, mommy, mommy. Today is them. So, wow.
So these are crepes made by me, and this is a mixture of vegetables and a turkey. So
That's good.
I'm going to serve my mom today.
I'm watching.
So this is a dessert.
Thank you.
And this is food.
Thank you very much. I'm gonna use my hand. I need water to wash my hand. Hello?
No
I
problem.
need water to wash my hand. Every day is mommy, today is you guys, okay? So guys, you see, today I'm gonna be the, okay, thank you very much. Let me wash my hand and deal with this turkey here, my guys. Let me deal with the turkey. Hey, let me deal with the turkey, man. So guys, this is really so yummy. Thank you very much. Yummy. Guys, this is good. Wow. You see, every time we mothers, we cook for them, we pet them, we do everything. Today is my turn. So mothers out there, I'm really advising you guys to sometimes you enjoy yourself and we move. Even my small boy, I'm not gonna do this. I'll finish it all by myself. Because today, yeah, I've decided and chosen to be so selfish and greedy. Yeah. So, guys, I want to open this and finish the enjoyment. My children, they just decided to make me happy today. It's not every time, mommy, I want this, cook this, bake this. Today, they have, oh, I hope I can do it. Oh, guys, celebrate with me. All mothers, I invite all of you to come and celebrate with me. Yeah, I'm gonna finish this. Very good. now. This is good. I like it. Guys, once in a while, you just forget about everything and enjoy yourself while it lasts. Okay? This is very good. My daughter just prepared it. You see these children, if you allow them, they will do everything. You'll be thinking that they're children, but they know how to do everything. You got to train the children very well. Right. At times like this, they'll help out in house chores. At times when they tell you to do something, you say no. Let them go and do it by themselves. You see, they will do it very, very perfectly. No joke. Oh. No joke. I'm really enjoying this. It's good. Actually, I'm very hungry, guys. But this is good. So, guys, we're still on it. My daughter really prepared this very well because there's no sugar, just small, then salt, because I don't like sugar. Sugar things now. I'll finish this one. Yeah. Wow. So, guys, I've finished the parashinkin. Mothers out there, what am I trying to say? You have to bring out time to enjoy yourself. Making yourself priority is not a sin. Once in a while, try to forget about everything and enjoy yourself. Children, husband, put them aside and enjoy your life. This life has no duplicate. I've not said that you will hate your family or you hate your children or your husband. No, I have not said so. But you have to bring out time for yourself. Give yourself a treat. Make yourself happy and be happy. So, if you are really watching up till this moment, I believe you've learned something and I believe that you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give a thumb up. Love this video. Comment. Let me know how you feel and let me know how you do it in your own homes. Please comment. I need this comment so that I will know exactly how it goes in your own family, how you do things with your children and your husband, especially mothers. I know that some men are also watching, but mothers, especially mothers, I really need your comments to know how you people do it in your own homes. We learn every day. Nobody knows it all. We learn every day. So here, I regret to say bye till we meet in my next video. But remember, if you have not subscribed to Clarity, please consider subscribing to my channel. You will not regret that you did. I'm always here to make you guys happy. Anything you want me to talk about, just drop it or give me DM. I will go there and I'll read it up and I'll do exactly what you want. Your happiness is my happiness. Thank you very much, and may God bless you for coming to check on me. Remember, stay safe, subscribe, remain blessed, and God bless you. Bye. I beg to sign off.